Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. My day is just super. I'm doing a mail call. I got this package yesterday, but I had to do some things first. But I'm doing a mail call for it today, and I hope everybody enjoys it. I love it. It is awesome. I wasn't expecting this much. I wanted to do a sticker trade. Love this channel, and how would you put it? Grumpy feels very blessed. Here we go. This came from Miss Francis. There's her sticker. That's an awesome sticker. I love dragons and stuff, so yeah, that's pretty cool. It is gonna go right up here. I'm gonna get the back off of it, and I'm gonna paste it right there on the board. I love it. Love the colors, love the stickers, love dragons, love the channel. Miss Francis has an awesome channel. I just love the vibe. And this is what was all kind of unexpected, but very awesome, very awesome, very awesome. Let me, I got all the addresses covered up. Let me double check that real fast. Took the shipping label off the box, but there's still another little label and I'm not sure, so I'm just going to put some tape over it, and that way nobody has to worry. I don't want no internet weirdos messing on Miss Francis. Anything that's going to have addresses, we cover all that up. This is going to be a little bit longer mail video, but I don't care. Thank you for watching if you're watching them. But I just want to do this to tell Miss Francis thank you from the bottom of my grumpy old heart. These are for chapstick holders. You put your chapstick in there, then you would turn a small sleeve right there to go over it. And this is a kit for that. This didn't have the instructions, but I'm pretty good with my hands. I always joke, so I wasn't smart enough to be a mathematician, but I should be an engineer. But I figured this part of it out. This is a set of tweezers. This is the tube, kind of like the chapstick holder. You'll turn a blank to go over this tube, and then you'll insert that in there like you would a pin when you turn a pin, and then this brass piece right here, you take your clamp and you press that into the tube once you have your wooden stuff over it. And what that allows you to do is to screw the cap on right there, right? It's got to be clamped or pressed in, right? And so once it's all pressed in, this piece here is pressed. You got your wood on, so, little piece of little pair of tweezers, and then they go back in. And it's a wood tube or a epoxy tube, whatever your blank that you choose to do. That's how that'll go together. And so that's gonna be cool. Thank you so much, Miss Francis. This was a blank that she poured up. Little piece of exotic wood. Not quite sure the species, but it's awesome in color. It's got some awesome green. This is another piece of wood here. I'm not sure. I'm thinking this might be maybe a piece of walnut or something, but it's got some cool color in the green right here. It's got some split in there, so I think I want to try to save it and stabilize it before I turn it so it don't blow apart. But you can see it's been waxed, but you can see as it dried, it's got a light crack that comes up through here, but it's beautiful wood. There's another piece here. It's waxed up for drying, but you see some of the end grain. The other side's waxed here, but it's heavy. It's a good hard wood. It's a dense wood that'll turn real good. A thin blank, roach clip. I could cut that down to 2 roach clips. I could do a roach clip out of it and then save a piece of it for one of the lip balm tubes. And there's this piece of wood. I'm not sure about this either. I'm gonna try to look it up to see. I don't know if the coloring might be some of the preservative for the wood or if that's the actual coloring of the wood, but we'll find out when we turn it. But it's real tight grained. My camera don't. I got an old phone, y'all, and that's what I record off of. Camera's not the best. We're gonna upgrade soon. But tight green. That's the saw mark, so it's hard to see. But it's not real heavy, but it's a hard wood. You can tell it's a dense wood. And again, I can do roach clips out of this, or the tubes, anything like that. And then this last piece of wood in here, I saved it for last because I think I know the species of this wood. I think this is a piece of bird's eye maple. You can see all the little dark inclusions in the wood. That's when you sand and polish it up, that's gonna look so cool. But I know what I'm gonna do with this piece. I'm gonna do a clip out of this piece by itself for sure. That's gonna look pretty. I'm gonna do that, hang it up on my board like I did with Mr. Johnny. Mr. Johnny sent me a piece of wood, Bocate. I turned the clip from that and I keep that hung up on my board. Grumpy gets emotional. That's all the junk in the corner that I'm working on, but that means a lot. Thank you a lot. But let's see. Let me pause this and put the sticker up there real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, very cool. We can get the back off this thing. I had to pause it. I fight getting these backs off of most of these stickers. Perfect. Alright, thank you, Miss Francis. I love this sticker and I greatly appreciate that box. Truly means a lot. Let's see what we got here. Alright, I had to fight my camera mount to get up in here. Sorry, not trying to make y'all seasick. That's Beatin' Crazy Custom Creations. That's Miss Francis. She will have a link in the description. Y'all go check her channel out. Very awesome. Love the vibe. She makes some cool stuff with her epoxy and resin and all the molds and stuff, and even her diamond work. She does lots of different crafts, and they're all pretty cool. Please go check her out. I'm gonna do a run through of my stickers real quick. This right here is Two Brothers, One Vision. That's Darren and Larry from Wowie's Workshop. That's all of them right there. Those three. Go check him out. That's at Lowry's Workshop. Go check him out. Dad Carves. He's got an awesome channel. Go check him out. I see Dad Nature Beauty Carves. Let's see, here we got, this came from Rusty and his Professor Rusty in his sticker pack. It says make woodworking great again. Got wood? There you go. Ray and Sandy, awesome channel. Go check them out. Robert Peters is Peter Pipes. Peter Piper, but it's Robert C. Peters, Rhymer PT, Robert Peters. I can't read his YouTube, or that's what is that? I think that's his YouTube channel. But his awesome channel, y'all go check him out. He does some killer stuff. Mr. Johnny at Johnny Lathes, awesome channel. Michael, Michael S. He's got some cool stuff. He does welding, but he's an awesome guy. He supports a lot of different channels. He's like everywhere. He's a killer guy. Really like the support. Thank you so much. Then you got Josh and Casey at Creation Dust 777. Josh does all the chainsaw work. His wife Casey, she does all the video work for him. Awesome team, killer work. Check them out. They're the boss lady. He's got some awesome chainsawing work too. Y'all go check him out. Sean Brooks, been on fire, good guy. Go check his channel out. He's down and out right now. He's dealing with some medical issues with his neck, but he's getting there. I got my prayers out for you, Sean. Jordy Johnson, Carbon Fusion. That's where I got my power carbon roots from, I guess. That's my channel. I will always watch Jordy's videos. Perry Carbon Wizard, awesome channel, awesome guy. Y'all go check his channel out. The Land's Handmade Woodworking. That's an awesome channel. He just did a heart challenge. I think he's doing I think the deadline's already hit, but his video, I believe, is on the 25th. Awesome channel. Y'all check him out. This right here came from Robert C. Peters. This is my grumpy pipe. He makes 420 pipes, medical and all that, legal in his state, legal in my state. I use it, dirty little. I hang it up right here when I'm not using it, so I don't lose it and it don't get broke. I love that. That's my grumpy. I love it. Suzanne Rhinestone Suzanne. She's got an awesome channel. She's getting back at it. She had a little injury, but she's getting better. Another Jordy Johnson sticker, of course. Old Path Woodworking's Mr. Allen. He's got an awesome little channel. Does some cool projects. I'll go check him out. That is Sophie Under the Bark. She's got an awesome channel. She's up in Canada. And a couple of these channels are up in Canada, but still awesome channels. And then Mr. Electric Whittler, that's another Josh. He's got an awesome channel. He does some cool work. Y'all go check his videos out. Subscribe to all these channels. They're easy to find. Rewind my videos, look them up. I'm gonna get everybody's link worked up and drop them in all my mail videos here shortly. I got to give everybody worked up. And hang on, don't get motion sick. Pause it, what y'all gotta do. Yo, some more stickers. These are my extras. That's Bear and them, Electric Whittler, Michael, Perry. There's another Wally sticker, another Jordy sticker, Ray and Sandy, Deland. And Off Track Syndicate, that's another one that Rusty's with. He does some co-hosting in some of their lives. It's pretty good. I've watched a few of them. Y'all go check it out. And that's another Rusty sticker. And then right there, I got that sticker from Professor Rusty. I like that. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor isn't skilled. That's awesome. On my leg, love it. And then that's another one, Michael S. It's hard to see, it's kind of dark, but that's him welding. Check him out. That's cool stuff. I love it. But thank you so much for all the stickers, everybody. Thank you for the support. And everybody, please go support these channels. Thank you again. I think that's going to be number one. But bet I'll have videos of everything I do. Thank you again. I have to get some tools for this. I don't want to split the wood when I do these. My sticks aren't hollow, and these things require the mandrels and all for hollowing. So I do need to get a basic pin mandrel set and stuff like that, and that's on my wish list. That's what I'm saving up for next, because I love watching Mr. Johnny turn them pins, and Runic, he's been turning some pins, and then there's all kind of cool little kits like this that you can do for the turning and whatnot. And I love making my roach clips because with the neuropathy going on in my hands, that's one of the tools that I can control still a little bit better. Power carving, I can do that from time to time. I just can't always control that rotary tool as well, and so I get frustrated when I start messing stuff up. But I tend not to mess up as much when I lathe work, so there you go. That's why I do so much. But thank you so much, Miss Francis. I hope everybody appreciates this video as much as I do. Enjoy. Have an awesome day.